it's like the 1st of January, so we're going praying to the temple. Just look at the gate. It's already so many people, and it's like in the evening. Wait, what? Afternoon? There's like a waterfall inside. Waterfall! Someone just hit my camera. Dang it. Oh, my aunt is getting farther and farther away from us. And we're going to take our incense. So we're gonna pray now. And look at the amount of people here. After some time, we just joined chanting, and then we went to the back of the temple to pray again. I am lost, like very lost. Apparently there's like a temple hidden and we're going there, and it's not a good thing to video about because everyone is blocking me and I'm not that tall.
Nyangkut juga.
We thought they're prepping for the show, but actually it has ended. Going to night market because we're hungry, and then we lost our dad, so we need to find him. So my dad got some food to eat while he went to buy something, and also we went back to the temple again for a while and go back to the night market to get something to eat again because we're still not full. Oh, we also met up with our aunt and uncle, and he recommended us to this ayu jelly drink, which is amazing. So my uncle is explaining how if it's rain, the roof can be closed, and if it's like super hot, the roof can be open, and etc, etc. On our way to the MRT because we are going somewhere else. We have arrived at the Chiang Kai-Shek Memorial Hall MRT. That is some pretty cool plane. So this is where we went wrong. We should turn left if we want to go to the Chiang Kai-Shek Memorial Hall, but instead we went straight. So we went to the National Theater Terrance, and we just cannot go inside because we gotta pay. So we just went in the front of it and turned back and go to the Chiang Kai-Shek Memorial Hall. So the white building is the Chiang Kai-Shek Memorial Hall, and then the two buildings beside it is the National Theater Terrance, and this is the Chiang Kai-Shek Memorial Hall gate, which is massive and amazing at the same time. And now we went to Shilin night market because we're hungry again. So we went something to eat and drink and all the things there. We got some sausage again. This time the spicy one and then the non-spicy one. I mean black pepper. After that we went to queue for Hot Star, but it takes like 3 to 4 rows zigzag so we can get the chicken, but it tastes good and very well made, so I guess it's okay. We also get some sugar coated fruit and then some orange juice. I tried fried milk for the first time and it's very delicious. Next time I went to Taiwan, I need to buy this again because it's just that awesome. After that, we just went home and laid out every food we had, and this is before we devour it, like completely. I also bought a new SD card because mine is almost out, and we also exchanged the Family Mart's point for this Pokemon stuff. This is us trying to decide which of us get which Pokemon, and I got Bulbasaur, and my sis got Charmander, and my bro got the Snorlax. Thank you for watching. I hope you like it. Please tell me what you like and didn't like so I can improve.